India, we are one. We are one. We are one. Tibet, India, we are one.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਇਹ ਚਾਈਨਾ ਦਾ ਆਤੰਕ, ਇਹ ਆਤੰਕਵਾਦੀ ਦੇਸ਼ ਹੈ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤਿੱਬਤ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ੁਲਮ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ। ਹੁਣ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਦੇਸ਼ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹੀ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਆਤੰਕ ਮਚਾਇਆ ਹੈ। ਇੰਡੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਪੈਰ ਰੱਖਿਆ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਕਦੀ ਬਰਦਾਸ਼ਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਾਂਗੇ। ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਟੋਟਲ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਅਪੀਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਚਾਈਨਾ ਦਾ ਟੋਟਲੀ ਬਾਈਕਾਟ ਕਰੋ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਾਈਨੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲੀ ਮਾਰੋ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੋਲੀਟੀਕਲੀ ਵੀ ਮਾਰੋ। ਤੇ ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਜੋ ਚਾਈਨੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਬਾਈਕਾਟ ਕਰੋ।
Namaste. We are here to offer our Shraddhanjali to all the soldiers of India. We are very happy that Tibet, our brothers and sisters of Tibet are here. We always stand for a free Tibet, and India is a very peace-loving nation. So we would want everybody to join forces. You have seen Australia, you have seen Europe, you have seen UK, you have seen Japan, you have seen Hong Kong, all those parts. Many people want this thing. We have seen Chinese aggression in many parts. China has trying to distract the attention from the entire world. So we would want everybody to make sure that China is discussed, debated in media, and what is the role that they are playing to create this havoc in global and international way. Many people have lost their lives. Many people are at home. Many people have lost their economic livelihood. So we would want everybody to take attention and notice of what China is doing and discuss this all over international and put a ban on China. Thank you.
Made in China! Boycott! Made in China! Boycott! Made in China! Boycott! Made in China! Boycott! Made in China! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Boycott! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
हेलो नमस्ते एवरीवन। आज का जो दिन है एक अलग है। यहाँ पे जो इनह्यूमैनिटी जो चाइना में होता है उसके अगेंस्ट सभी लोग आए हैं। तिब्बत के अगेंस्ट जो करते हैं वो सारा चीज़ आज यदि वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को चाइना ने टाइमली यदि बता दिया होता कोविड का तो शायद ये सिचुएशन नहीं होता। तो इस चीज़ को वी ऑल कंडेम दैट चाइना शुड कम एंड सपोर्ट द ह्यूमैनिटी and don't be inhuman.
My name is Chudim Sangmo. I'm living the Tibetan, and I'm living in New York City. Today I'm here to support our Indian people. We are totally condemned Chinese aggression on India. We must boycott Made in China. We are one. Tibet independence is India's security. We should be one. We support each other.
When the world is battling this coronavirus since last 6 months, it is really shameful the naked aggression of China against its neighbor, which is absolutely unacceptable. China has to understand they want to dominate the world. They want to destroy USA. They want to destroy India. China has to understand that this is not acceptable. This is India of 2020 under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi. This is not India of 1962. This India is economically strong, number 3 economy in the world, and militarily strong. China must have already realized that they have to pay the very heavy price for this aggression. What they have done on June 15, our Jawans have already replied. Let me tell you very clearly, the lives of our soldiers will not go in vain. We will give a befitting reply to China. For that, the world has to come together. The world has to come together. USA, India, Japan, Australia, France, Germany, South Korea, and all the countries. Today, China has a trade surplus of almost $500 billion with all these countries. So we are indirectly supporting Chinese employment. And we support Chinese, we are feeding Chinese, and they are returning it with bullets. Absolutely unacceptable, China. We will not tolerate it. We will not tolerate it. The peace-loving world will not tolerate it. We are peace-loving people. World is peace-loving except China. Except China. China has to realize that they cannot get away with this murder. They cannot get away with this aggression. Let me say, they have not only problems with India, they have problems with all of its neighbors. All of its neighbors, all the neighbors. Now, the world, US, America, that is America, President Trump, Prime Minister Modi, and Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has to come together to isolate China diplomatically. Enough is enough. We have to isolate China diplomatically. We have to boycott Chinese products so that their economy crumbles. China, you will regret what you did 3 weeks back for the rest of your life. Namaskar.
So I was born here, which means that I am often more critical of this country than those who've experienced immigration. It is not the problem solely that America is relying on another country for manufacturing. The issue is that we are complicit in what China is doing. Their persecution of Kazakhs, of Uyghur Muslims, their compliance with Myanmar as they continue to persecute the Rohingya Muslims. They continue to ally with North Korea. And when we don't start bringing manufacturing home, this isn't a question of just nationalism or patriotism or any sort of radicalism. This is a matter of clear human rights flagrant violations. We've seen in this country and in this city protests recently against ICE's detainment of immigrants seeking asylum, of black people who've experienced systemic racism. We are not stopping there. This is a humanitarian movement. China is imposing an autocracy. It is taking biometric surveillance and DNA scans and recently seizing control of Hong Kong, which is supposed to remain an autonomous democracy. China does not care about their treaty with Britain. So we have no choice but to start aiming to see how can we combat China. If this was any other country, America would have imposed its will. But China's economic clout is the problem. So whatever steps we have to take, I'm not urging President Xi Jinping to make some changes. I do not expect that he will even listen to the voices of democracy or the free press. I am asking the US government to start working and start really paying attention to foreign policy. This doesn't stop at China. This continues to the Yemeni crisis. This continues to every humanitarian issue in the world. But we cannot remain complicit and allied with all these powers who are creating these global problems. So I have to say that we have to boycott China on every level, community-wise, government-wise, internationally, foreign diplomacy. How is China on the Human Rights Council when they are flagrantly violating every aspect of it? How are they on the UN Security Council? It does not make sense, and we have to start taking action internationally.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। हम यहाँ पर आज चाइना द्वारा की गई ज्यादती के खिलाफ यहाँ इकट्ठे हुए हैं और प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पर हम ये सब बताना चाहते हैं, यहाँ सभी हिंदुस्तान के सभी धर्मों के लोग यहाँ इकट्ठे हैं। स्पेशली हम चाइना को ये बताना चाहते हैं कि जो वो कर रहा है उसकी मनसे कभी पूरे नहीं होंगे। हमारे न्यूयॉर्क सिख कल्चर सोसाइटी, जो संत प्रेम सिंह सिख कल्चर सोसाइटी है, वो सिखों की तरफ से एक मैसेज देना चाहती है कि सिख हमेशा हिंदुस्तान के साथ खड़े हैं। जब देश की बात आएगी देश के साथ है, जब पंजाब की बात आएगी पंजाब के साथ है, जब लद्दाख की बात आएगी लद्दाख के साथ है। हम लोग हमेशा अपने कंट्री की हर प्रॉब्लम में उसके साथ खड़े हैं। इतना कहते हुए मैं आपको सबको कहना चाहता हूं कि चाइना को सबक सिखाइए, उसको ट्रेड मारिए, उसके जो प्रोडक्ट है उसको मत बना लीजिए, मत खरीदिए, ताकि इसको पता लग जाए कि हम लोगों ने अगर इसे बनाया है तो हम इसको बिगाड़ भी सकते हैं। इतना कहते हुए मैं आप सबसे कहता हूँ, सब लोग हमारा साथ दें।
Tibetan Women Association President Tashi Chudin, New Jersey. We are here to support Indian people here, since we are the longest, since His Holiness Dalai Lama said, we are the longest guests in India for 60 years, and we've been eating Indian rice and dal, as His Holiness Dalai Lama said. And now we are supporting India because they are our biggest supporter, as well as they are like our parents. Let us live in India. Now we are in America, and we can take that Chinese things doing in at the border. जो कुछ भी भारत के border में चल रहा है, India border में चल रहा है, वो इंडिया एंड तिब्बत की मसला है, उसमें चाइना कुछ भी, China has nothing to do with it. So I, being a Tibetan president, Tibetan Women Association, New Jersey, urge everybody to help and raise your voice. And China lie, people die. That's what it is. Thank you very much.
Mangalam, Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. हमारा नाम है सर्वज्ञान, हिंदुस्तान का नाम है मेरा नाम, सर्वज्ञान बोलता है। और मैं आज कहना चाहूँगा, मेड इन चाइना बॉयकॉट मेड इन चाइना। मैं हमेशा हिंदुस्तान का साथ है, मेरा जन्म हिंदुस्तान में हुआ है, मैं हिंदुस्तान का साथ है, मैं हिंदुस्तान का अंदर बैठा है। तिब्बत की आज़ादी, भारत की सुरक्षा। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।
Yes, my name is Ngawang Tashi. I'm Vice President of U.S. Tibet Committee. I'm here to stand with India to say that the world is watching, and the Chinese armies are intruding to the India and Tibet's border. There's no border between India and China. That is borders between India and Tibet. And that is the internal matters of India and Tibet. India and Tibet are historic, religiously, with a deep relationship. And China doesn't have any right to bother with that border issue. We know that China is lying. China is #1 liar in the world. China's lies, people dies. We're saying that slogans for 60 years long, and now it is proof that this coronavirus is proof that China is lying and the people were dying.
Hi, my name is Anil Bansal, and I'm the president of FIA, the organization which supports Indian community in the tri-state area. And we are all here in the Times Square area in New York City to talk about China's expansionist attitude which has been shown. And as I always say, that China plays a one-sided game, and we have let China become a bully bigger and bigger. As you all know, that the United States has the largest deficit with China, and that's caused incredible power to China. All the technologies have been transferred to China, and China is an expansionist country. You can see that whether it's in India, they have taken part of Leh in Tibet. Tibet is another example, and the artificial island they have made in the southern China Ocean near Philippines, and now they're claiming that, oh, that's part of China. So all 12 miles around it is their country, and it's an artificial island they have created. So we really, India and China, have to get together and break this cycle of Chinese expansionist and bullying attitude which they have towards the world. So please join me in boycotting China, Chinese products, Chinese expansionist attitude. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dipendra Singh. Today we are here, and we all are assembled here just to protest, China's activities all around. And you will see that how much disturbance it has created in Asia. And when China is every month or every second month they are they are basically border conflict with any other many of their neighbors. And this is why if you see every second month they have conflict with Japan, they have conflict with India, they have conflict with Nepal. For every neighbors, they are disrupting the whole Asia. I think this is the right time that we all have to come together and protest China and make such one lobby that we can all corner China. We also have to see that somewhere China is playing this time when the whole world is going through this COVID-19 and the whole country is basically trying to save their people. At this point of time, there is no other country in this world who is trying to have a war, and China is trying to basically make the attentions diverts towards the other things, because we all know that where basically COVID-19 is coming from. I think this is the right time that we understand that China is all the way from a very beginning is cruel, and they never have any sympathy towards the humanity. We all should come together, and today we see that at the Times Square there is a big huge protest where all the global people were assembled here to protest it. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day, America, 4th of July. Today is 3rd of July. We are at Times Square protesting for China. China occupying all over the world, so people are here. We have Japanese Americans, all the countries from Australia and all the Tibet brothers, all are boycotting China. We have from Tibet the prisoner lady who was been jailed in China, and there are a lot of bad things have been done by China. And now our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, has taken an initiative to make sure he is going to make his fist one together, because he is the world supremo at this point, and he is going to make the difference in the world by making change to the world for everybody. And it's one fist. And Modi ji, sir, we are with you from America, from Times Square. Boycott China and kick out China.